Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna and welcome to CodeWithBK. So in this video we write a C++ program to check if an integer is a Kaprekar number or not. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers only 3 or 5 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So we have to write a C++ program to check if an integer is a Kaprekar number or not. Okay. So first I'm going to explain you what a Kaprekar number is. Okay, how do you check for a Kaprekar number, and then we code that solution. Okay. At the end of the video, we also will try to discuss an alternate approach to solve this problem. So we take an example and then we understand how to check for a Kaprekar number. So if I have an integer n equal to 297, the first task is to find the number of digits in this value n. So this has 3 digits. Let's consider the number of digits as k. Alright. Then we need to find the square of this n. Okay, so 297 whole square is going to give you 88209. Then from this square, you need to divide the square into two halves. The first right half, you have to find out the right half first, which is going to be the number of digits in the original value n. So n had 3 digits, so you pick out the last 3 digits from the square, which is the right half, which is 209. And the remaining part is the left half, okay, which is 88. Okay, then you sum these, and if the total equal to the original number, then this is a Kaprekar number. Okay, so we have the value n, we square it, we divide into right half and left half. We find the right half first, which is the last k digits, and then the remaining digits are left half. I'll show you why we find out right half first when we discuss the example of 1 at the end. Okay, so this is what you code. So I go back to my code, okay, and I will add a function bool is Kaprekar number. Okay, takes an integer n, returns true if this integer n is a Kaprekar number, otherwise it returns false. Okay, so we have to find the square and then find the right half and the left half. So finding the square of an integer n is one line code, but dividing the square into right half and left half can get tricky if we don't have strings. But in C++ we have strings. I'll also show you how to do it without strings. Okay, the first thing I have to do is count the number of digits in n. Okay, and how to count the number of digits in an integer, I've already posted a video. The link for that video you can find in the description of this video. I'll copy the code from there, which is basically converting this integer to corresponding string and then finding the length of the string. So I can say int count digits int n. Okay, convert this integer to the string, okay, and return the length of the string. Okay, so we get the number of digits as k is count digits in n. Okay, find the square of n. Okay, find the right half and left half. Okay, check if the sum of right half and left half equal to the original value of n. Okay, so the square of n is going to be int square n. We simply say n into n. You can use pow n to the power 2 either ways. Okay, now to find the right half and the left half, what I do is, suppose if I have my n as, say, the same example 297. Okay, I convert this square to string and then find the right half and the left half. So what I do is I do string square n string is going to be to string. Okay, the same way we converted this integer n to string, and I pass square n. Okay, what I'm trying to do here is, suppose this is my square for 297. Okay, I convert it to string, so it becomes 88209. Okay, I know the number of digits k. Alright, so I can extract substrings as right half string and left half string. So my right half string will be last k digits, which is 209. Okay, comes out as this string, and my left half string will be remaining 2 digits, which will come out to be this. I can then convert these right hand strings and left hand strings to corresponding integer values and sum them. Okay, all right, so my square n is going to be, okay, taking the same example, 88209. Okay, and my square n string is going to be a string form of 88209. Okay, Alright, as we discussed, I find the right half string and the left half string and then they convert into corresponding integer values. So string right half string, okay, it is going to be the last k digits. So last k digits, okay, suppose this is the string again, okay, indices 0 1 2 3 4, k is 3, we need the substring from index 2, okay. So if the length of this string is 5, so in order to find the right half substring, we need to find the substring from index 2, which is equal to L minus k. That is from length L, reduce k indices. So this is basically L is 5, k is 3, which gives you 2. And that's where we need to get our right half string from. Okay. So this is going to be dot sub str starting from index L minus k, and L is going to be, int L is going to be a count digits in square n. Okay, this is my right half string. Similarly, I can get the left half string, okay, which is the remaining part. All right, since we know the index from which the right hand string is started is L minus k, so we need to extract from index 0 till less than L minus k. So 0 till L minus k. Starting from 0, give me the remaining digits in the left half, which is L minus k, 5 minus 3, 2 digits. So I say from 0 to L minus k. Alright, then we find the corresponding left half and right half as int right half is going to be converting string to integer s to I and passing the right half string. Okay, similarly converting the left half string into corresponding integer, left half is left half string. Okay, and return true if left half plus right half equal to. Okay, we're not changing the value of n anywhere, so n is the same. Let me just test this out for n equal to 297. Okay, see out, is n a Kaprekar number? Okay, using a ternary operator to print yes or no. So calling this function, which will return true or false, passing the value of n. If it returns true, I print yes, else I print no and change a line. Right, so let me compile and check. Okay, compiles, running. Okay, 297 is a Kaprekar number. Yes. Okay, so let me try to find the Kaprekar numbers from 1 to 1000 for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 1000 plus plus. Okay, so if is Kaprekar number I, okay, we do see out I is a Kaprekar number and we change the line. Okay, because the numbers which are not Kaprekar numbers will be a lot of them, so we just want to print the Kaprekar numbers. Right, again compiling and running. Okay, terminated due to uncaught abstraction. Okay, this is happening because I'll tell you why. Now we have not handled the case for 1. Let's go back to our example. Okay, so if we have n equal to 1, my number of digits k equal to 1, square of n is equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, right half is going to be the right k most digits, which is 1 itself. So right half is 1. There are no digits left for left half. So if the left half has no digits, then left half is 0. Okay, because when we follow our method, our square string is 1. Okay, our square string is 1, which has index only 0. So L is 1, k is 1, L minus k is 0. So basically this entire string is right half. Okay, and then when we do 0 to L minus k for left half, 0 to L minus k for left half is going to give you a blank string, and you cannot convert a blank string into a corresponding integer. All right, that's how you get this exception here. Right, so in the case if left half is blank, so we can again use a ternary operator. If left half string dot length, okay, is equal to 0, right, then left half is basically 0. Otherwise we convert s to I, left half string. Okay, it means if the left half string is blank, consider 0 for the left half value, otherwise you convert the left half string to its corresponding integer. Now when I run this will be fine. Okay, 1 is a Kaprekar number, 9 is a Kaprekar number because if you multiply 9 is n. Okay, one digit. Okay, 9 9 is a 81. You pick the rightmost k digits as right half, so one digit as right half is 1 plus remaining left half is 8. Okay, left half plus right half gives you 9. Okay, similarly we have 45, 55, 99, 297, 73, 299. Let's take the example of 55. Okay, so 55 square comes out to be 3025. Okay, this has two digits, so we need to extract the first right half two digits, which is 25, and the remaining is left half, so 30 plus 25 gives you 55, which is the original value. Okay, let's take another example of 99. So 99 halves 99 square is 9801, has two digits, so right half is the last two digits, which is 1 plus left half is the remaining digits, which is left half equal to 98 plus 1 gives you 99. Okay, let me just increase the limit to 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 4, sorry, to compile and run. Okay, we got these two, you can check them. Okay, the other approach is when you don't have a string, just as in C, you'll have to find a way to extract the right half and the left half. Okay, we can use while loops in that case, but that method is complicated, so I'm just quickly going to code just to explain. All right, but this is much a simpler method. So if I make this 1, okay, and if I make the while loop method as 2, okay, I take int right half as 0, int left half as 0. Okay, I count number of digits. All right, I create the square. Okay, so I need to extract digits from the square, so let me just create an array int digits. Okay, and how many digits in square n? These are going to be count digits in square n. Okay, right, now we need to populate this digits array with the digits of square n is not equal to 0. Okay, since I'll be extracting each units digit in each iteration, my index basically starts from the length of this array minus 1, the last index. Okay, and in each iteration I do index minus minus. Okay, I get the digit as square n percent 10. Okay, I remove this digit by equal to 10. Okay, I populated this digit into digits of index is digit. Okay, then index minus minus. All right, then we need to find right half and left half. Okay, so we find the left half first from index 0 till index L minus k. All right, so let me just take int L as this. Okay, L. Okay, all right, so find the left half. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I less than L minus k and I plus plus. Okay, and then we do left half is equal to left half into 10 plus digits of I. Okay, and similarly for right half we do find the right half. Okay, right half is going to be right half into 10 plus digits of I starting from index L minus k, okay, till less than L. Okay, right, return left half plus right half equal to 10. Okay, is Kaprekar number 2 is fine. Let's just run is Kaprekar number 1 again. Okay, that's what we get. I will do Kaprekar number 2. Okay, compile and run, should give me the same 1945 55 99 1945 297703 297703 999 2223 999 2223 2728 4950 2728 4950 5050 5050 7272 7272 777 777 Okay, so we have this alternate method. In short, I'll tell you what is happening here. So basically I'm creating this digits array out of the square of n. So if my n is say 297, okay, so my array of digits after this while loop ends will look like 88209. okay, because this while loop will extract unit digits from right to left, okay, and I'm also filling the array right to left. So from 88209, which is the square of n, 88209, this is extracted first, placed in the last index. That's why I'm starting the index on the rightmost index, okay. Last index, this goes, then the index behind this, I do index minus minus 0 goes, then goes 2, then goes 8, then goes 8, okay. So left half is going to be the integer formed by these digits, right half is going to be the integer formed by these digits, and this method is the standard way if you have digits and you have to find the number from it, okay, converting 88 into the actual value 88, okay. This is the alternate approach, and this is a little more complicated, but even though this solution is complicated, what happens is sometimes the interviewer wants to see if you can think this problem in a different manner or not. Approaching a problem in a different manner with a different angle is also important, okay. So this was your solution to check if an integer n is Kaprekar number not in C++. So I hope you like this video and this was helpful. So if there's any doubt in this video, if there's a part you do not understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can always let me know in the comments if there's a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.